He has a whole piece up in his mouth.
That is one big...
His juice cup is over there somewhere. He has a big piece of cake in his talking to you, Kelly. Nice.
It's not bad. It's tasty looking.
Tired.